I'm coming through the window.
All right, come on down. Come on down, Captain. Are you the skipper?
I did it.
Good job.
Okay, now let's go. Monkey round, skippy round. Hello, everybody. Today we're in Italy.
Where in Italy, Gaby?
I forgot.
Genoa.
Yay.
We're in Genoa and we're on this boat. We rented a boat.
We didn't rent it. We just.
Well, yeah, we're renting it for 2 nights. Tomorrow we're gonna drive it. Isn't that cool? This cool like sailboat. And we're at the port in Genoa. And Gaby's gonna be captain.
Go on the deck? Go on the deck, Mom?
Let's go on the deck.
How do you go on the deck, Mom?
Alright, let's see if we can go on the deck.
I can sit right here.
Yeah, you gotta walk along here.
Where? Right here? You have to go here?
Uh-huh.
Oh, I'm gonna be.
You hold on to this.
I'm gonna come through these waters tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow we're gonna go swimming in the
So basically
water.
we're staying here for 3 days because today, tomorrow.
Yep, 3 days on the boat, 2 nights. Oh, this is so super cool. And look at.
I can jump in the bedroom if I wanted to.
Oh, that's the opening to the bedroom. See?
There's a lot of cruises. One here, one.
Yeah, so we're parked right next to these cruise ships. Right, oh, hold on.
That's a tiny cruise ship. Oh, that's a long.
Oh, I saw a little head peeking out. Although we don't push or play up here.
Hey, you sound smiky. When will you?
What do you think, Gaby Monster?
This is cool, but I want to go today in the ocean waters.
Oh, I know you want to go swimming.
Who's gonna be the captain?
The boat comes with a captain. He's coming here tomorrow. All right, be careful. This is so super cool, and look, there's Genoa, old city. It's an old city, and over here there's a Ferris wheel and the aquarium. Yeah, so we might go do that later.
Today.
Maybe.
Okay, I want to show them my room.
All right, so let's go inside. Hey, Daddy-O, you having fun down there?
Chilling out. I matey.
I want to go up here and. Hello.
Walk the plank. Walk the plank.
Hello.
You know what's the pirate's favorite letter?
A pirate's favorite letter is R. Gaby's gonna give us a tour now.
So let's go into my room.
And say, let's go.
Okay, I'm gonna close these. Let's go into my room now. These are so big.
The Gabriel's room?
Yep, my room. Bye. This is my room. This is my room. There's a light up there, and there's a big, nice window. Hello. And I saw, and there's huge window. And give me a turn this first. This is the scene. This is
Moving too much, Gabriel.
trash can.
The trash cans?
Trash can. Trash can.
This is why
Steady, hold it steady. Hold it steady.
Okay, let's go in this. Okay, let's go in this one first. This is Kieran's room now. It's not too. You didn't see us in the cabinet. There's a blanket. Let's go. Zoom. Where are you going? Guess what's in here? A bathroom. Mom.
Hey, Gabriel, be careful there.
Oh yeah.
Gabriel.
Be careful. This is a bathroom. Push us 8 times, twice when you use the bathroom. And there's mirror.
Oh, hey, Gaby.
Hi. Now we're going in. Mom, let me see what's in here.
Hold it properly.
Ooh, a purple pillow or a blanket. Oh, sorry, camera.
Okay, so we want to have it be nice and straight, so it's not all wobbly, right, when we use the camera? Go stick your head out though.
I know to turn the light back on though.
Oh, how?
So you see the button up here?
Oh, good job.
There's a button up there as well.
Okay.
And you can turn the lights on when it's nighttime.
That's gonna be
To read a
so
book.
awesome. Oh, and guess what I brought for you for nighttime?
What? Like
I
sleeping goggles?
brought,
Battleship!
I brought Battleship, so we'll play that later.
Yeah.
But I brought, one of Jack's decorations.
Jack.
So at night, look, it lights up green.
Oh wait,
So we'll have a green light here. Let's hang it from somewhere.
Wait, give me the camera. If you see carefully, there is a green light in there when you put it on the sensor. It will shine a green light.
Yeah, it shines a green light. When you put your hand on the sensor, it shines a green light. See?
See? You see it, guys? Hope you can see it.
So at night, we'll show you guys that a lot better.
Yeah.
Right? Is it super cool? What's out here?
Give me the camera.
Look at those clouds. We're going to show everyone what's out.
Whoa, that's cool. I'm putting my Wow.
What? Hey, Gabriel. I see something for you. Look, my son.
Oh, wait,
Look what Dad has, a crystal ball. Maybe you can see your future.
Really?
Maybe.
Kieran's creating marketing power.
Okay?
Why didn't you touch? You touched
No, because
it.
it loses the power.
I have infinite.
He's about to touch it.
Mom won't die.
Okay, let's go. Okay, you set up your battleship.
All right, Gaby wants to play Battleship. He's not amused with the crystal ball.
Yep. But now I have to do my test thing.
All right, so we're playing Battleship. Do you guys know how to play Battleship?
I do.
How do you play Battleship?
Yours knows how. We played this yesterday.
I can't let Gaby know where I'm putting my battleships. So, shh, I'll let you guys see it, okay? My fighter ship.
What's that?
Okay. All right, Gabe, are you all programmed in?
Nope. I still have my spy plane. And that should be good. Oh no.
Actually, you know what I'm gonna do? I wanna do pre-programmed. So I'm gonna make it easier for myself. So I'm gonna pick a pre-program. So let me see here. Let's see what we got. All right, so we can pick one of these. This will make it easier.
What's the spy plane?
The spy plane?
Can
Okay.
you tell me which one, Mom?
The spy plane has 3 hits.
Yeah, but there's 5 of them.
No, there's only one with 3 hits.
This one?
Yeah, that's a spy plane. Let me see.
Oh, no, this is...
Oh, haha, I got a peek. All right, let's see. I'm gonna do.
But the cameras can see both of ours,
Let's do
right?
this one. Okay, so we'll do this configuration. A5. Just like the picture. Right? Okay. Gaby's still trying to figure it out.
Press fire to confirm.
Now I have to do my tape. Okay, the camera can see mine. Like my loadout camera?
Hey, kids, tell me where the battleship is, kids.
Yes, look and go in the comments.
Incorrect.
I just did that on purpose.
Yeah.
Think reported, so. Go!
Oh, it's my turn? Okay.
Automatic ship layout.
Yeah, so what do I, okay, so I press,
1 or 2.
Automatic ship layout selected. Player 2. Input layout code.
right, it's A.
Hey, now let's say it. Now let's say it.
Press
Okay, that's a camera. So, I'm gonna start off at the bottom. Because I know you're sneaky with the bottom.
You know I'm sneaky.
Was that close? I did India too.
India too?
Was that close?
India. Oh, he did India too, so the India too.
So I'm gonna go for India 7.
India 7. Uh-oh. I think. What? How'd you know?
India 7. I knew that since the start. be honest.
India 7?
Because I saw that loadout, Mom.
Here. Gabriel,
What?
hey, what happened to our battleship game? We'll play it later?
No, I'll come back.
Okay.
I'm coming through. I'm coming through the window.
All right, come on down. Come on down, Captain. Are you the skipper?
I did it.
Good job.
Okay, now let's go. I'll go back up there. I know the outer gate. I'm going back up there. Okay, Mom?
Okay, we can't seem to get Gaby to stay in one place.
Gaby has not been found. I'm coming back up. Hi.
There he is.
You can see your loadout. Okay, I'm coming back in. See my foot?
Uh-huh.
It's very wavy up here. Mom,
What's going on?
wavy. You want to come up here and see?
Is there a boat passing?
No little boats. Oh. You might push me. Like it?
Yeah.
Whoa.
This is so super cool. Our very own private boat for the weekend, right?
Do anything you want.
Uh-oh, here comes Kieran.
There's actually fish.
Yeah, there's fish down there.
That might be bass.
It might be bass.
Yeah. Because those are big.
Oh, I bet you could feed them.
Pineapple?
How about Doritos? Do you think they'll eat Doritos? Do you think the fish will eat Doritos? Here,
Whoa.
look. We have this bag of Doritos here.
I also a Dorito in the water. A little
Go ahead,
tiny
let's see if
piece.
we can feed them.
Let's do it. I'm not really doing anything. I'll do a whole piece. Bye-bye, piece. I'm not doing anything.
Did he eat it?
Nope.
Uh-oh, Kieran just went off with our Doritos.
Yeah.
Kieran took our Doritos. That was some snag. He snagged our Doritos.
Where did the fish go?
I don't know, maybe fish don't like spicy chili Doritos.
So much fish.
Look at all the fish. Can you guys at home see all those fish? They're big.
Imagine all the sushi.
Oh, imagine all the sushi, yeah. Those are huge. There's so many of them.
What type of fish do you think they are?
I don't know.
Don't worry, I'm a trained professional. I won't die. I fall in.
What? Oh, so many.
You know how I get down like this.
No, Gabe. You're making me nervous.
You won't. I won't make you nervous. See, it's easy. You can come down here too.
So here we are at the marina in Genova.
Beautiful sunny day.
It's beautiful sunny day. It's
How's that?
warm.
I want that.
Hold on, Gabe. And I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. So hold on. Wow. Look at the old city. And all the boats. This is so cool. So I'm going to show you the boat that I saw in the crystal ball.
Wait, where's the boat that you found with the crystal ball?
I'll show you the boat I saw in the crystal ball. Nope, it's not the Panther of London.
Look, it's from Jersey.
Wow, the Gala is from Jersey. They're smart to
What?
get out of the US and come to Italy. This is my boat I saw. This beautiful, that's a yacht.
You know what we'd name it? Kieran.
This is
Because
the
Sunbeam
Kieran.
means Kieran.
Yeah, you're right. This is the Kieran. And this is going to be our boat that we're going to sail around the world in. This boat probably has like 5 bedrooms, a living room,
Ironic, I don't like
a kitchen.
Look at the back window. Back windows look like the pirate ship signs in the old days.
Oh, and look, they're in there because look, their car is here. Wish one day.
It's ironic, I don't like going outside.
And I live apparently have some new. Wow, look at his car, man. That's so awesome. That's gonna be my yacht. Alright, so
It's too hot.
Motorcycle.
I got out our masks.
Why?
Okay, we're gonna need a mask.
Why?
Because it's COVID time.
Why?
So, Kieran, you want a child's mask or an adult
It looks
mask?
like an underwear.
It does look like an underwear. That's a child's mask. Put it on. That's perfect.
Tiny.
Kieran, I think you should get a child's mask too.
Yeah, you wear the underwear.
That's
That's underwear too.
Okay, how do I look?
I don't
He's gonna poop on. He's gonna poop. He's gonna poop. Move. That pigeon's gonna poop. Oh, it's a seagull. What's his name?
Pedro.
No, that's not Pedro. It's Sally. Oh, Sally the seagull.
Sally the earthworm.
There's Sally the seagull.
Sally the earthworm.
Hi, Sally. Look at that pirate ship. Now that's a ship.
Gabriel.
We'll go in that later, okay?
No. No. Just hungry.
I know, we're hungry. We've been traveling all day. We drove here. So we did an 8-hour drive through Switzerland and into Italy. And we had absolutely no problems getting in. It was a very long drive, but it was well worth it because we got to go on this boat. Well done, Gabe. It's only 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
Drive there, 90 miles an hour.
I feel like it's like 8 o'clock at night.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Okay. All right. So
But the boat was not available.
we have been in the car all day since 2 a.m. I'm driving from Germany, and we're here now having lunch. It's 2 p.m. and it feels like it's 8 o'clock at night. Right? This is crazy. What time does it feel like? 10 at night? So, because I'm like so ready to go to bed.
What time did you say it was, Mom?
2.
Exact time. Exact time. Exact
I
time.
feel like I've been up forever.
How exact time, Mom?
I don't know the exact time. Dad, how much?
Guess. Can I guess, Dad?
What time is it?
4:20. I mean 2:20.
Well, we could go to the aquarium.
No.
We should try to stay up as long as possible.
Nope. It's not 2:20. It's 2:22.
I can't believe we're in Italy. Happy birthday, Dad. How old now?
Visit your mother.
27.
We should go visit your
27.
Dad? Nice.
Wait, Dad isn't 27. He's 26.
Oh, thank you, Gabriel.
All right, so this is the restaurant we are at.
Here we go now.
Italiana
I want to go back to the boat when you go to
Lugo
bed. I'm tired.
Divino.
Lugo Divino.
And here's Italy. It's a boot. See the boot? And we are in this area right here in Genova.
Then we
Right on the coast, on the water. That's
What
where
are you
we
doing?
are.
Work twice just now.
Kieran.
Grazie.
Is that good pizza?
It's hot pizza.
Yeah.
It's so good. It's so
Yeah, it's
different.
The cheese is good.
Not only the cheese, but the bread is different. It tastes different.
Because we're in Italy.
Oh, is that what we are? Ah.
Only pizza tastes good in
Pizza.
Italy.
Remember last time we were in Italy and the only thing we ordered was pizza?
We had pizza for every meal.
Even for breakfast,
Lunch
lunch, dinner.
and dinner. We had pizza. No. Look at this salad.
I want salad.
Everybody is getting salad.
I'm not vegetarian.
You don't have to be vegetarian to eat salad.
Yes, you do.
No, you don't.
Mama's calling.